The Cement Mills Viaduct on the Isle of Wight is a historic railway bridge that played a crucial role in the island's cement industry. It was built in the 1860s to carry the Cowes and Newport Railway over the River Medina. The railway line is now a cycle path, part of National Cycle Route 23, and is a popular route for commuters between Cowes and Newport.
Many island residents will be familiar with the Cement Mills Bridge that links Newport to Cowes, and regular users will be aware ride quality can be improved.
Our project engineer, George, is a regular user of the viaduct on his commute from Cowes to Newport, so he has good knowledge of the ride quality.
Recent inspections have indicated that through constant use, the deck panels have sagged over time, resulting in water ponding on the deck and making for an uneven ride. Our project involves completely removing the existing deck and replacing it with a different system that shouldn't deteriorate in such ways over time. The new system has in fact a design life of 60 years. Because we're removing the old deck, it is necessary to have a full closure for the duration of the works. However, we're doing the work in the autumn to avoid the summer when the track is most busy. We can't do it any later in the year as some of the materials we need to use have to be laid when it is dry, so we're avoiding the winter when the rain is more likely. During the closure, the diversion will be via Stag Lane and Horsebush Hill. Regular users know there is an alternative route, which is the right-of-way that follows the front of the causeway. This is an unmade path, so this will be up to the user's discretion. We want to give you plenty of notice about these works, which is why we're making this film. We will continue to provide updates in the media throughout the project.
We are sorry for the inconvenience this will cause, but it is important that this structure is kept in good condition. The viaduct will be closed from the 15th of September to the 31st of October. We are very grateful for your cooperation and your understanding. Thank you.